Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here today with another wonderful video. I want to make this video to encourage someone that maybe want to start his or her own poultry farm. And then maybe you have so many questions. What do I need to do to start poultry farm? So in this video we are going to discuss how you are going to start your own poultry farm. What are the things required for you to start?